Hey guys, and I wanted to show you a non-toxic weed killer. What you could use is salt, 9% vinegar, and and dish soap, and a spray bottle. And you could get this stuff at the dollar store, and I spent about $3 with all four of these items. So you don't have to get the most expensive brand. This stuff works with the cheap stuff, and I've been using this for a few months now. And this stuff works very good, and it's better for the environment, and it's better than the Roundup and the other brands they have out there, which is not so good for the environment. What you want to do is pour about 1/4 of a cup of salt, and if you don't have a measuring cup, what I usually do is just fill it up about right there to that line. So then you pour this into the next thing you want to do is pour your dish soap, and you just do like a squirt, just about that much. And the next thing you do is you fill up your vinegar all the way to the top. And this solution would almost kill anything in this path. So you want to be careful around plants and your lawn. You don't want to spray it on your grass. Only the stuff you want to kill. Screw on the top, and you want to give it a good shake. And then after you're done with that, should be good to go. And this stuff works good. You may have to spray it about 2 to 3 times, maybe 4, but it will kill it. And just give it about 24 hours, and then you could do the next spraying if it doesn't kill it all the way, if it doesn't turn brown. Okay, I have this sidewalk in my backyard, and it has grass growing through the rocks. And what I'm going to do is spray it with some of the stuff I made with the vinegar to help kill the weeds, and it's going to make it turn brown within a day. Sometimes it may take 2 or 3 sprayings, but it starts to make it turn brown. So what you want to do is spray it real good. And by tomorrow, it should start turning brown. And this is a non-toxic weed killer. So it's not like the Roundup. It's not going to hurt anything. But you want to be careful and don't spray it on any plants. Like if I spray it on this plant, it's going to kill the leaves. So you want to try to not spray any plants because it will kill it. So we're going to come back in a day and we're going to see if it turned brown. This is one day after spraying, and they killed some of the grass already and some of the weeds. Some of them are still green, so I'm gonna have to do another spraying, but sometimes it takes at least 2 to 4 sprayings before you actually kill it. And this is not a permanent solution, so you're gonna have to keep spraying it. But if you're looking for an organic way, this is one of the best solutions for that. But here you go. Thank you guys for watching how to make this non-toxic weed killer. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below and I will answer them. But till then, see you next time.